1. 1977 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $26,000, located in Beckley, West Virginia. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful street and strip machine built for serious muscle car enthusiasts who appreciate classic styling combined with aggressive performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a professionally built 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong acceleration and dependable power. The engine features an Eagle rotating assembly, Big Daddy Rattler roller camshaft, Promax aluminum heads, roller rockers, MSD ignition system, and a Brawler 680 carburetor, creating an impressive combination designed for performance and reliability. The exterior presents extremely well and maintains a clean, aggressive appearance that perfectly matches the car's muscular attitude. Numerous additional new components have been installed throughout the build, reflecting the extensive investment made into the vehicle. The car is described as very stout, offering a thrilling driving experience both on the street and at local events. This Nova stands out as an ideal choice for collectors or performance enthusiasts searching for a classic Chevrolet with upgraded mechanical components, strong visual appeal, and the unmistakable sound and presence of traditional American muscle. 2. 1975 Dodge Charger Daytona. Price, $39,900, located in Kalamazoo, Michigan. This 1975 Dodge Charger Daytona is a rare and highly modified pro street machine representing the final production year of the first-generation Daytona models. With only a limited number produced, this car combines collector appeal with serious high-performance engineering. Powered by a massive 505 cubic inch stroker engine based on a 440 platform, the setup has been dyno tested at an impressive 656 horsepower and 594 lb-ft of torque. The engine includes scat rotating components, diamond pistons, a comp solid roller camshaft, Edelbrock RPM heads, Victor intake, and a 950 quick fuel carburetor. The drivetrain features a strengthened S727 automatic transmission with shift kit and a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with Moser axles and 4.11 gears. The suspension setup includes a professionally built 4-link system with coilovers, while Willwood rear brakes and power front discs provide reliable stopping power. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this Charger Daytona also features a tub chassis, roll bar, weld wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, fuel cell, and aluminum radiator, making it an unforgettable street and strip car. 3. 1969 Dodge Dart 340 Swinger. Price, $34,500, located in Conway, South Carolina. This 1969 Dodge Dart 340 Swinger is a beautifully preserved numbers-matching Mopar classic that delivers both authenticity and enjoyable street performance. Powered by a factory-style 340 engine board .30 over, the car offers strong power while maintaining the spirit of the original setup. The engine is paired with a manually controlled valve body automatic 727 transmission, providing responsive shifting and an engaging driving experience. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a black interior, the vehicle captures the aggressive and sporty appearance that made the Dart Swinger such a respected muscle car during the late 1960s. The body remains clean and attractive, while the interior presents a classic design with vintage charm and comfort. Although not built as a dedicated race car, this Dodge is an exciting and powerful street machine that performs exceptionally well during casual cruising and weekend driving. The vehicle has been carefully maintained over the years and continues to stand out with its excellent condition, strong mechanical setup, and unmistakable Mopar personality. 4. 1986 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $26,500, located in Ironton, Ohio. This 1986 Chevrolet El Camino is a heavily upgraded performance build that combines classic utility styling with serious drag racing capability. Powered by a very strong 406 cubic inch engine, the car delivers impressive horsepower and torque through a reverse manual valve body transmission featuring a reinforced bell housing for added durability under hard acceleration. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.10 gears, while the ladder bar suspension setup ensures excellent traction and stability. Coilover suspension has been installed on all four corners, significantly improving handling and ride control. Additional performance upgrades include a billet rear sway bar and four-wheel disc brakes, creating a balanced combination of speed and stopping power. The exterior is finished in a bright orange color that immediately attracts attention, while the black interior provides a clean and functional performance-oriented environment. This El Camino represents an outstanding opportunity for buyers seeking a unique GM hot rod with proven drag racing components, aggressive styling, and the versatility to enjoy both street driving and weekend performance events. 5. 1968 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $14,000, located in Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1968 Chevrolet El Camino is a clean and well-developed classic project that combines vintage muscle car styling with numerous modern performance upgrades. Powered by a 355 small block engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, the vehicle delivers reliable performance and a strong street presence. The engine setup also includes hooker headers and an Edelbrock carburetor, helping maximize power and throttle response. Extensive suspension work has already been completed using UMI tubular components throughout the vehicle, greatly improving handling and structural stability. Brand new brakes have also been installed, adding confidence and safety for regular driving. The interior is nearly complete and includes a headliner kit ready for installation, allowing the next owner to finish the cabin to their preference. The body remains very solid overall, though final bodywork and paint are still needed to fully complete the restoration. The car currently features 1969 front fenders, grille, and bumper components while retaining its original 1968 identity. This El Camino offers excellent potential as a dependable street machine or show-quality classic. 6. 1978 Chevrolet Nova Super Gas Drag Car. Price, $25,900, located in Linden, Michigan. This 1978 Chevrolet Nova Super Gas Drag Car is a fully prepared race machine designed for serious competition and dependable track performance. Built specifically for super gas racing, the car consistently runs impressive 9.70-second passes while operating on methanol fuel, making it an excellent choice for experienced racers or enthusiasts entering competitive drag racing. The package also includes a 24-foot enclosed trailer with low miles, adding significant value and convenience for transportation. Powered by a strong 408 small block engine paired with an automatic transmission, the Nova delivers excellent acceleration and consistent power delivery. The drivetrain includes a trans brake and line lock system, helping maximize launching performance at the starting line. The car has been carefully maintained and remains race-ready for immediate use. Finished in white with a black interior, the vehicle presents a clean and professional race appearance. With a clean title in hand and proven track capability, this Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for buyers seeking a turnkey drag car that is already sorted, reliable, and ready to compete at the strip. 7. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door. Price, $32,000, located in Makina, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door is a professionally built turbocharged street and strip machine featuring a clean rust-free body and an extensive list of high-performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a powerful 402 cubic inch LS engine fitted with AFR heads and a massive 88103 TDI turbocharger setup, delivering incredible horsepower potential for both street cruising and drag racing applications. The drivetrain features a billet roller 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake and paired with a Neil-Chance torque converter for maximum performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.55 gears handles the power efficiently, while AFCO shocks on all four corners and TRZ suspension components provide excellent handling and stability. Additional upgrades include a TRZ anti-roll bar and an automotive 7.0 fuel pump system. Finished in bright red with a tan interior, the Malibu combines aggressive performance with classic G-body styling. The vehicle was professionally rewired recently, ensuring reliability and clean electrical operation. This Malibu is fully prepared for summer cruising, racing events, or serious street performance enjoyment. 8. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price, $14,000, located in Columbus, Ohio. This 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D is a classic American muscle car featuring a strong big block setup and clean overall condition. Powered by a 454 cubic inch engine paired with a 400 automatic transmission, the vehicle delivers substantial torque and impressive straight-line performance. The drivetrain is further enhanced with a Moser rear end equipped with 4.10 gears, creating a combination well-suited for both street driving and drag strip action. Finished in a sleek silver exterior with a black interior, The Monte Carlo maintains the iconic G-body appearance that remains highly popular among collectors and performance enthusiasts. The body presents clean lines and strong styling, while the interior offers a comfortable and classic driving environment. This Monte Carlo SS has been carefully maintained and remains a very desirable platform for enthusiasts seeking vintage Chevrolet performance. With its strong engine combination, upgraded rear end, and timeless design, the car stands out as an excellent opportunity for anyone searching for a reliable and aggressive classic muscle car. 9. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street. Price, $55,000, located in Springfield, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Yenko Tribute is a professionally built high-performance muscle car designed to deliver exceptional power and aggressive styling. Inspired by the legendary Yenko performance models, this Nova combines classic Chevrolet heritage with serious drag racing components and modern Pro Street engineering. Under the hood sits a built 496 cubic inch big block engine running on race fuel, producing tremendous horsepower and torque for intense acceleration. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake, allowing hard launches and reliable track performance. The car rides on RC component double beadlock rear wheels fitted with 28 by 10.5 tires, while lightweight 17 by 4 front wheels complete the authentic Pro Street stance. The exterior is finished in an eye-catching gold color complemented by a black interior that enhances the aggressive personality of the vehicle. Built for both appearance and performance, this Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a powerful, professionally assembled classic muscle car with undeniable street and strip presence. 10. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. Price, $24,000, located in Toledo, Ohio. This 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL is a beautifully preserved classic muscle car that combines vintage styling with strong street performance and drag racing history. Powered by a 390 cubic inch engine fitted with rare 427-cylinder heads, the car delivers impressive power and a deep muscular sound through its true dual exhaust system. The drivetrain includes a reliable Jasper rebuilt 3-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth operation and dependable cruising performance. Finished in an attractive blue exterior with a tan interior, the Fairlane maintains a timeless appearance that reflects the golden era of American performance cars. The interior remains fully equipped and comfortable, making the vehicle suitable for both weekend cruising and local car shows. The car also includes a spare rear gear setup with 4.40 gears from its previous drag racing configuration, offering additional performance potential for enthusiasts interested in racing applications. Recent maintenance includes a fresh top-end engine rebuild and a new carburetor installation. While the transmission currently has a minor gasket leak and the custom headers contain a crack, the car remains a solid and highly desirable classic Ford muscle machine. 11. 1973 Dodge Dart Sport. Price, $28,000, located in Oshawa, Ontario. This 1973 Dodge Dart Sport H-Code 340 is a heavily upgraded Mopar performance car built with serious street and strip capability. Powered by a 416 cubic inch stroker engine featuring a scat rotating assembly and Edelbrock aluminum heads, the car delivers exceptional power and throttle response. The engine setup also includes an air gap intake manifold, a brand new 750 double pumper brawler carburetor, and a complete MSD ignition system for maximum performance reliability. The drivetrain is paired with a newly built TorqueFlite 904 transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body and a 4000 stall converter, allowing aggressive launches and responsive shifting. A strengthened 8 3/4 rear end with new 4.30 gears helps transfer power efficiently to the pavement. Additional upgrades include mini tubs, Nitto drag radials, Mickey Thompson front runners, Caltrax suspension components, and new Calvert shocks. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this Dart Sport also features front disc brakes, power steering, autometer gauges, Dynamat insulation, and extensive new wiring throughout the car, creating an impressive high-performance street machine. 12. 1963 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $45,000, located in Ironton, Ohio. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova SS Pro Street is a professionally built classic drag-inspired muscle car combining aggressive performance with exceptional craftsmanship. Powered by a 383-stroker engine equipped with Motown cylinder heads, the car delivers strong horsepower while maintaining reliable operating temperatures through an aluminum radiator and dual electric cooling fans. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission featuring a manual valve body, providing quick and consistent shifting performance. The drivetrain includes a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears, allowing the vehicle to perform strongly both on the street and during high-speed acceleration. Massive Hoosier radial tires mounted on billet specialties wheels give the Nova its unmistakable pro-street appearance and outstanding traction. Finished in bright red with a clean black interior, the vehicle features a factory tilt steering wheel, padded dash, and extensive custom work underneath. The chassis includes a full-frame setup, tubular A-arms, rack and pinion steering, and adjustable coil-over suspension on all four corners. This Nova SS stands out as an exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and classic Chevrolet styling.